Hello everyone. Today I am here again with a new chapter of Class 7th History, Tribes, Nomads and Settled Communities. Even as kingdoms rose and fell, new art, craft and production activities flourished in town and villages. Though important political, social and economic developments had taken place over the centuries. Still, social changes may not the same everywhere for the reason that different kind of society evolved differently. Understand how and why this happened. In large part of the subcontinent, society was already divided according to the rules of Varnas. So, Varnas, you must be knowing, earlier society was divided into four Varnas: Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishyas, and Shudras, which was prescribed by Brahmins and accepted by the rulers of large kingdom. The difference between the high and the low and between the rich and the poor increased. Under the Delhi Sultans and the Mughals, the hierarchy between social classes grew further. Meanwhile, there were other kind of societies as well. So, first of all, we talk about tribal tribal societies. Who were tribal peoples first of all? Tribal people were found in almost every region of the subcontinent. They do not follow norms laid down by the society, who lived beyond the cities and did not follow the rituals prescribed by Brahmins. Many large tribes thrived in different parts of the subcontinent. They usually lived in forests, hills, deserts, and places difficult to reach. The caste-based and tribal society also depended on each other for their diverse needs. Contemporary historians and travelers from medieval India hardly give any information about the tribes. Many of the tribes emerged as politically powerful groups through their areas of influence and activities varied. Some of the powerful tribes are, like in Punjab, the Khokhars tribe was very influential during the 13th and 14th century. Later, the Ghakkars became more important. In Multan and Sindh, the Langhas and Arghwans dominated extensive region, and in the northwest, the Baluchis were there. In the western Himalayas, the Gadis. In northeastern part of the subcontinent, the Nagas, Ahoms and many others. In many areas of present-day Bihar and Jharkhand, Chero chiefdoms had emerged by the 12th century. The Mundas and Santals were other important tribes that lived in the region and also in Orissa and Bengal. In Maharashtra, highlands, Karnataka and southern regions, Kolis, Berats, Kurkas, Vetars, Marwar and others were there. And in western and central India, the Lais tribes of Bhils were there. In present days, state of Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, the Gonds were there. You can see the various tribal people in this picture. And with the help of this map, you can see the location or the places where these tribal peoples used to live. You can see from this map also. Now, the pastoral nomads. So, the pastoral nomads move from one place to another with their herds of animals. And these pastoralists move over long distance. They lived on milk and other pastoral products. They also exchange wool, ghee, etc. with settled agriculturists for grains, cloth, utensils and other products. The Banjaras were the most important trader nomads. Their caravan was called Tanda. Sultan Alauddin Khilji used Banjaras to move grain to the city market. Many pastoral tribes reared and sold animals such as cattle and horse to the prosperous people. At the time of war, these Banjaras or these nomad traders, they used to help the rulers in transporting food grains to the army. You can see the pictures of the tribal people like Gaddis, Bhils and Banjaras. So hope you like this presentation. Thank you.